Hello there, my name is DJ, otherwise known online as QMacro. I'm a developer advocate at SAP. Welcome to my channel where you'll find videos on various topics, especially development topics in the SAP technical world and beyond. I run a regular live stream called Hands-on SAP Dev with QMacro, and the episodes go usually out on Friday mornings in the UK and European countries, around or just after midday in India, and that translates also to the evening in Australia. There are also occasional bonus episodes at other times of the week as well. Check bit.ly, hands-on SAP Dev, there we go, for links to the recordings of previous streams and of course for information about upcoming episodes. And on this channel, please make sure you subscribe and select the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. Thanks for dropping by.